guys! Good morning! Ayan, ang haggard no? Kagigising lang namin. And papunta kami ngayon sa Lake Wilcox sa Richmond Hill. Ayan, pupunta kami sa lake. Ano, ang pangit naman ang face ko. So, see you later! Bye! Go down now! Come on! Let's go!
Are you gonna meet the turtles?
Mm-hmm. Oh no, there's no turtles here. Labs. Go.
Skechers.
Okay, yan. Kinukuha na ni Daddy yung mga gamit. Yun lang naman yung dala namin. Tapos bumili lang kami sa Dalarama kanina ng mga ibang gamit. Okay.
Your fingers.
Let's go! There's the lake! There's a lake! Yes, you can swim. Here. Let's find a nice spot. How about here? This one is nice. Malilim. Oh, we don't have a tent. Let's set up. Get the banig.
What a bunny.
The mat. Okay, you wanna play now? Yeah, you can play. You go play there, oh, in the sand. Go.
Hey, remove this, please.
Oh, Daddy, set up mo na to.
Ay, wala. Oh, wait. Change your... No, where's your... No.
Yan, maglalagay lang kami ng banig dito, guys.
What is bunny?
This is banig.
What is bunny?
Ito nga yung mat. Mat. Yeah.
I guess the start.
Oh.
Mommy, can I
Ayun.
go play with the gooses?
Para kayo mabasa yung paano nga. Come here.
Daddy, can I play with the gooses?
Yes, but wear this, please. Let's remove that. Wait. Remove this.
Ganyan lang, guys.
Wait.
Set up. Okay, Stacy is putting her aqua shoes now. You see? You wear a crown? Wow, nice. Come on, let's go.
Like Elsa, me and Elsa.
Elsa. There.
Can I pick up? Can I come accepted? Where's my pail?
Ooh, playing sand. Put it here. Put it like that. Go. Castle here. Like that. Go.
Oh, yeah. No, Mommy. This one is trouble. Bang,
Good, right? Ooh.
Yay.
Castle.
A feather.
Wow. So cold pa. Don't know. Smile, Stacy. Ooh, that's so nice. Stacy, look at here, look at here. No, it's down and look at here. Go. Look at mommy. Look at mommy kasi. Here. Go, put butter. Yay. So good. So cute, Stacy. Nice choice. Ooh. Duckies. Oh, they're goose pala. Geese. There's a geese. Hindi sila takot sa tao. Oh. Canada Dry. Hindi, mamaya na yan. Pag ano muna tayo. Barbecue.
Kailangan pa natin ng mga
Mamaya ng lunch tong barbecue, loves.
Okay.
Come on, Stacey, let's eat.
Stacey, come here, let's eat.
Come on.
Sit, guys. Sit down here.
Sit down there.
Sit down here. Like that. Okay? Give me the side leg. So like that. It's like a watermelon.
Ano? May feather pa siya sa...
Pocahontas, is that you? Pocahontas, you like you like it? Is it good? Closer here.
Magandang ganyan niya.
Nakita ka ba tayo?
Nag-tidy up na kami, guys. Lilipat kami ng location. May malapit kasi na ano dito, playground. Pupunta kami sa playground and water park. Ayan, let's go, guys. Come on. Ayan, dito kami pupunta sa Lake Wilcox Park. Ayan. Saan ka dumaan kanina, loves? Yung may shortcut? Okay, doon tayo dadaan. Stacey, hello! Nag-enjoy ka ba? Ha?
Yes, I enjoy.
Oh, good job.
Wala bang daan doon?
Go to the left. Follow daddy. Pa doon, oh. Ganda ng park dito. Casey, surprise! There's a playground here. See, you like it? Oh, may playground dito.
Oh, yes, I love it.
Good job.
What?
Mm. Ayan na yung water park. Libre lang yan, guys, dito sa Canada. Ayan, dyan kami maupusan. Guys, yung water park na pinuntahan namin. Ayan, si Stacey naglalaro dyan. Sino-sino yung mga kalaro niya. Sila yung babaeng malaki ang kalaro niya lagi. Kanina hinahabol-habol siya. Nakipaglaro siya ng tag. Oh. Tapos kami naman, nakaupo kami sa ganyan. Umbrella na may upuan. Umbrella na may upuan. Oh, yan si Daddy Dale.
Yellow.
Auto service. At ito po yung pagkain namin. Ako tapos na talaga ako kumain eh. Ayan, may barbecue kami, hotdog, lechon kawali. Lahat yan galing kila ate.
Tsaka kay Tita Gemma.
Okay, Tita Gemma. Thank you, Tita Gemma. Oo, nagpunta kasi sila doon kahapon kila Tita Gemma. And of course, kainin natin yung cookies. Hindi ko pa pala nakain to. Nasa paper bag kasi ng ano. Ayan, yung cookies. Yum, yum, yum. Masarap ng cookies. Binili ko to dun sa may Hershey store sa Niagara Falls. Sarap. Wow, ang liit ng kagat ah.
Diet ako eh.
Grabe, nakakataba. Yan si Stacey, naglalaro siya dyan. Yung kalaro niya. Natawag na yung kalaro niya. Ito yung water park. Libre lang yan dito guys sa Canada. Punta ka lang. Saka dito sa mga water park nila. Okay, let's go na. Say bye-bye. Bye. Oh, come on, let's go. Alis na kami guys. Uwi na kami. Kasi baka lagnatin na naman si Stacy pag nasobrahan sa ligo. Si Daddy. Punta ka na kay Daddy. Ha?
Yeah, we're going na.
We're going na. Next time, okay?
Next time, okay, yung sasakyan labs. Pwede mo pumasok dito kahit di magbayad, di ba?
Hindi, may parking yan, oh. Pay here.
Hindi, pag mag-park ka, doon ka pa lang magbabayad.
Oo.
Hindi naman ako magpa-park.
Oo, okay, sige.
Pwede naman.
Bye, water park. We will go home na.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king men couldn't bring Humpty together again.
Yan. Ayun na si Stacy, naghihintay sa puno. Nauna na kasi siyang naglakad sa akin. Ayan. Habang pinapalamig ni Daddy yung sasakyan, dito muna kami sa lilim ng puno. Ay, nakakapagod din ah. Come on na, let's go na. Daddy is here. Excuse me. Come on, go inside. Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh no! Come on, open it. Come on. Daddy.
Labs, wait lang. Huwag muna isasakay. Usok ko muna doon.
Oh no, it's all...
Isara mo. Iusok ko muna.
Okay. Ayun guys, tapos na kami mamasyal. Uwi na po kami. Ay, nag-enjoy ka ba, Stacy?
Yes.
Oh, enjoy ang baby Stacy. Oh, say bye-bye na. Say salamat po.
Salamat po. Bye.
Bye.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Bathurst Street, North Regional Road 38.